Hey, how's it going, Brandy? I just got off the phone with Alexandria. My name is Devin. I'm just going to quickly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix really easily, just so you can start beating Air Rescue Florida. They show up #1 when you type in AC Repair Tampa, and you can easily be there. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. Super simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I make these attack plans. Some people take the stuff and do it themselves. Some people call me and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do, this is free, is okay with me. It's free education. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. By the way, your website is a gorgeous looking website. It's very clean. It's a very simple design. I like the animations that pop up and all the different Photoshop photos. It's a very beautiful looking website. Now, what Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read. And they want to see a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. If I take all of your content on your front page and I put it through the word counter, you have about 1,089. So it's definitely a great start to be, but it's not at 2,000 words. And let me see what Air Rescue is sitting at. These guys are currently sitting at only 525. So you're already beating them with content. By getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. And my next tip is going to show you actually how to beat them. But first tip, definitely get to 2,000 words on this homepage. One last quick tip on that point. You want to put keywords inside of your content, such as AC Repair Tampa. A keyword is just a phrase someone commonly types into Google to find your business. So if I search your homepage, you don't have that on your homepage at all. So you want to make sure that when you're writing the extra content, you throw that in there a couple times. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, so they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. Keep in mind though, they want to see relevant links. They're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker or keyword planner. You can find all this data I'm showing you. It says you currently have 37 websites linking to you, while Air Rescue Florida only has 169. So it's really not that much more than you have. The easiest way to beat them is just copy those links and put them right on top of yours. Because if the links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So you go visit each one of these websites that is linking to Air Rescue Florida, and you put a link from your website back to, you put a link on that website back to your homepage. Most of the time it's super simple. You just create a profile and like put a link in the profile, or sometimes you click contact us and email the owner. But whatever they did, if you follow that tip too, and you put more content and more relevant backlinks, that's how you take this #1 spot. I'm going to throw in some bonus info. If you want to be #1 for your ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. But if you really want to be #1 and get the most phone calls, you need to show up right here in the Google My Business section. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors. And a citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, stuff like that. I would figure out what directories Superheat and Air was in. I'd put myself in those same ones, but then add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300 directories. But that's all I've got for you, Brandy. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. Super quick recap. You want 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and you want keywords like AC Repair Tampa inside of that content. You're going to want to have more websites linking to you than Air Rescue Florida. I would just copy the ones they have and add them to the ones that you already have. That way you blow them out of the water. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Superheat and Air. And Brandy, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible, only because it does take time to implement all this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start ranking #1 and getting a ton more phone calls to your business. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you're just too busy running your business and you want someone else to handle all this for you, feel free to give me a call at any time. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have and guide you in the right direction. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Bye, Brandy.